बहुत बहुत छोटा सा एक्सपीरियंस है बट बड़ा फैन फेवरेट मोमेंट्स होते हैं ना, वैसा था कुछ. देयर इज अ डायरी दैट आई हैव. टेल मी दैट कि एक्टर फॉर दिस रोल छोड़ो, ही इवन नोज द थ्रेड ऑन योर बटन. आई थिंक सुदीप सर, he is a kind of director who exactly knows what he is going for. जैसे sometimes working hard for things that you really want to, जो that you want should work out, and if they don't, it just मतलब वो कहीं ना कहीं आप बहुत sad हो जाते हो और hurt हो जाते हो. जैसे I was doing a film, I really try hard to not let the lowest in my mind be the lowest. Like, okay, ठीक है, how to get out of it. कि highs में इतना high नहीं जा रहे और lows में इतना low नहीं जा रहे, then सब चंगा सी. फिल्म चली, वेब शो लोगों ने देखा इतना ज़्यादा, या फिल्म देखी, उनको वो कैरेक्टर पसंद आया, they were able to relate with it, bonus. और वो कब होएगा वो आपको नहीं पता. So Shadows of the Moonless Night is a beautiful, beautiful diploma film by Meher Malhotra. So this is the perfect example of, yeah, trust the universe. It has some plans for you, and better plans that even you haven't dreamt of.
Some actors go viral, others reach Cannes. He made it there with his short film Shadows of the Moonless Nights. Not every actor does. Meet Plerak Mehta, an actor whose journey is quietly going global. From Chhalang to criminal justice to Kora, he's been building his craft across stories that demand depth, not just presence. No shortcuts, just consistent work, stacking credibility, one performance at a time. And he is now stepping onto the world stage. In an industry chasing instant fame, he's playing the long game.
Hello, Prerak.
Hello.
Welcome to Confessions. How have you been?
I've been extremely good. Yeah.
Great. To start with, what's your story?
What's my story? An actor's introduction comes to their mind. This is Prerak Mehta. I'm from Delhi. I'm a Gujarati born and brought up in Delhi, but now I stay in Mumbai. And yes, I'm kidding. But yes, I'm a Gujarati born and brought up in Delhi, and I think performance is the only thing that I know. And I started dancing when I was 4 years old, and उसके बाद से कुछ acting कहीं ना कहीं and karate. So these are the two things that I was doing constantly, and like, तो उसके साथ साथ I think what my story is, my story must be a story of something fiction, because I've only been performing.
When did you get into acting? When was that time when you thought, oh, this is what I want to do?
So I did my first film in 2011. It's called Siddharth. It was directed by Richie Mehta, and it was very popular for Delhi crime. And so Siddharth happened in 2011, but I was doing theatre before that. And National School of Drama ki ek company hai, it's called TI Company, Theatre and Education. So what it does is it initially started off as a summer workshop for kids. So I was dancing, I was doing karate. तो मेरे पापा ने न्यूज़ में ही read this advertisement that was by Government of India in collaboration with Sanskar, Rangtoli, Theatre and Education, National School of Drama. तो अब तब तक I had seen भारत रंग महोत्सव, बाल संगम, जश्न बचपन. बाल संगम and जश्न बचपन are plays and festivals, theatre festivals that are very well known but are designed for kids. तो वो सब I had seen theatre, so I just went for these workshops and I started enjoying in summer holidays. तो मैं ये कर रहा था. तो उसके साथ साथ नाटक करना और ये सब कब I got pulled into theatre and how is pretty crazy. And so yeah, I started acting then. And उसके बाद से फिर first film happened after my first year in Sunday Club Part 1.
You started as a dancer. Why wasn't that enough?
Oh, dancing is never enough. अभी भी आज भी रहता है डांस करना. मतलब तो it's not, I wouldn't say that it wasn't enough, but if you look at the performing side of acting, especially films, it has a mixture of everything. When I'm performing, when I'm on set, there's a sequence that I'll be dancing in. I recently did this show, and there's a beautifully choreographed sequence. And even in Black Warrant, this was a very last minute thing. Like this last song, Pag Gich Rakhi Da. It was an impromptu thing that Vikram sir and I were talking about in the morning while blocking the shot. Or I thought of dancing for that scene. तो yes, आप साथ साथ डांस भी कर रहे हो, आप कराटे का कहीं ना कहीं इस्तेमाल एक्शन में भी कर रहे हो with the form and everything. So acting helps you do everything in the world, I feel.
What's the biggest myth about getting a break?
The biggest myth about getting a break, I think the biggest myth about getting a break is getting a break. There is nothing. I mean, you don't know, right? What you can do is you can only give your 200% and like do your job for the role. और आप जाके परफॉर्म कर रहे हो. अगर फिल्म चली, वेब शो लोगों ने देखा इतना ज्यादा, या फिल्म देखी, उनको वो कैरेक्टर पसंद आया, they were able to relate with it, बोनस. और वो कब होएगा वो आपको नहीं पता, और कैसे होता है वो आपसे समझ भी नहीं आता. Oh my, like really this much, like these many people have watched it and liked it and are able to relate to it, and that feeling is something that breaks you in a good way from inside. That's the break, I feel.
What rejection hurt you the most?
What rejection? Rejection, I'd say, won't be the right thing to say. Rejection नहीं, पर जैसे sometimes working hard for things that you really want to, that you want should work out, and if they don't, it just, मतलब वो कहीं ना कहीं आप बहुत sad हो जाते हो और hurt हो जाते हो. जैसे I was doing a film that was set in Uttar Pradesh side of India, or it was about a footballer. So what I had to, for the training part of it, for the prep, I used to go to the gym in the morning, legs thrice a week, leg day, and then football training in the morning, and then football freestyle training in the evening. There was football freestyle is basically doing tricks with the ball. उसकी ट्रेनिंग तो दिन में 4 classes that went on for 3 months, and we never went on floors with that film. So that is something जो कि I think रिजेक्शन से भी इतना नहीं होता होगा जितना आप इतना टाइम किसी चीज को देते हो और वो नहीं बनती है.
Talent or access? What matters more?
Talent, I feel, is a given kind of a requirement. वो तो you should be able to do your work, and I feel you should work hard enough, and like your talent really helps you to take somewhere. But access से I'd say meeting the right people, meeting the people that have been in the industry and have been in this field, have seen the field, and have worked more. They come with a certain experience. So I feel आपका talent आपको बहुत जगहों तक ले जा सकता है, but if you want to go और आगे, उधर से कौन से रास्ते हैं, वो आपको लोगों से मिलके, accessibility बढ़ा के, उन लोगों से बात करके जो प्रेजेंट हैं इधर काफी समय से और बहुत अच्छी चीजें कर रहे हैं, तो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ बैलेंस ऑफ बोथ टैलेंट एंड talking and networking, if that's the right word for it. It should be balanced and should go hand in hand.
So by this you mean that if you have talent, you can get in, but not access, then you won't. Is that what you're trying to say?
If you have talent, you'll definitely get in, but access you'll have to create for yourself. Access आपको लेना पड़ेगा रिसेप्शन पे जाके, कार्ड एक्स, मतलब तो या बहुत ही खराब जोक, पर यस.
What do you wish you knew before entering the industry?
Before entering the industry, I feel to sleep on cue कि अब सो जाओ. I think that would be the biggest, I think something that you have to learn to understand your body, because if you're shooting nights constantly 3-4 days and then you're shooting days, so there's no circadian rhythm that is being set. So अब robot body नहीं होती ना, that if you go back home you have 10 hours before the next call time and after having dinner, after having everything, you're just able to sleep. That doesn't happen. And if you are not slept enough, then you won't be able to perform and give your best the next day. तो वो routine बनाना and वो सब I think is something I wish I knew.
What's been your lowest point?
सबके साथ होते हैं, काफी सारे होते हैं, but I really try hard to not let the lowest in my mind be the lowest. Like, okay, ठीक है, how to get out of it? What's the solution now? Because if I am there and like not doing anything about it, then it's counterproductive, no? The lowest is becoming or low. So yeah, I don't recall any of it as, I mean, उस way में.
You're lucky enough.
No, not lucky enough. वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, सबके होते हैं. It's happened, but I feel happy about the fact that I not able to remember them in a second. Maybe I coped up and like whatever process is needed for anybody, you know, anyone in life. Everybody has a process now to get out of something. So whatever I would have done शायद हेल्प करा कि मैं अगर 10 मिनट सोचूंगा तब याद आएगा वो लोएस्ट.
What keeps you going during low phases?
मतलब I don't know if you've seen that interview, but it went viral. There's this interview by Tom Hanks where he says, okay, you're happy, you're at the best moment in your life, you're at the top, but this too shall pass. Okay, you are like you just said, कि if you're at the lowest, this too shall pass. So if you are able to follow that rhythm in life, कि highs में इतना high नहीं जा रहे और lows में इतना low नहीं जा रहे, then सब चंगा सी.
You worked with Rajkumar Rao. What's special about his method of acting?
Oh, everything. He's a very, very, very special human being. And मैं बहुत छोटा था. We shot Chhalang in 2017, 2017, I think. काफी लंबा शूट था, तो that is why I'm getting confused in the years. But इतना serious acting और इतना evolved in terms of acting मैं शायद उस समय explore कर रहा था और सीख रहा था. तो इतनी चीजें nuance से ज़्यादा कि बता पाऊँ what is his method of acting, से ज़्यादा what I'd like to say is he is one of the most hard-working actors I've seen, and you can see that. Like he's really trying to get every shot there. Like even if the shot is okay for the director, even if the shot is okay for everyone, he just, that's the fond memory that I have of him, that he'll just say, just one more and let me try that. So he's very, very, very hardworking. He comes with a certain thought in his mind, and he's a very collaborative co-actor. I remember him coming to me in the morning and doing something funny. Ki, my character was Lokesh. He was like, hey, Lokesh, tu ye kar le isme, tu ye kar le. So that's such a bada bhai kind of a behavior, no?
Is Pankaj Tripathi overrated?
No. In capital letters, I love him. I love him with all my heart.
Any experience that you would love to share with us?
About Pankaj Tripathi?
Yes.
बहुत बहुत छोटा सा एक्सपीरियंस है, बट बड़ा मतलब फैन फेवरेट मोमेंट्स होते हैं ना, वैसा था. कुछ देयर इज अ डायरी दैट आई हैव, एंड उसका लास्ट पेज पे ना देयर आर एक्टर्स जिनकी मैंने एक लिस्ट बनाई हुई है, द एक्टर्स दैट आई वांट टू वर्क विद और द एक्टर्स दैट आई ड्रीम ऑफ वर्किंग विद. एंड देयर इज पंकज त्रिपाठी, देयर इज नसीरुद्दीन शाह, देयर इज रघुवीर यादव, देयर इरफान साहब, एंड तो उनके साथ काम करना was a beautiful thing for me in life. And when I met him on set, तो अभी तक हमारी बात नहीं हुई थी what character am I doing or what is he doing और ये सब वाला, he didn't know me. और उस time he just came out of the van and he was going on set, and there was a certain crowd on the set that day. कुछ scene था, तो they were just, you know, he got too crowded. And उस बीच में आके मैंने हाथ मिलाया था और मैंने कुछ बोला था कि hello sir, and he was just going, and I said मैं टाई से हूँ, NSG टाई से, and he stopped. And like अरे टाई में कौन सा बैच क्या. So that feeling of, you know, that recognition, or maybe like a senior behavior from the same school, he's NSD, उन्होंने diploma से हैं वो, but that was beautiful.
What's unique about Vikramaditya Motwani?
Oh, everything. That man is something, and it was a dream, like a real dream to work with him. And but his process is very different. Like he was a dream director, but मैं उनको ब्लैक वॉरेंट के शूट के बाद मैंने उनको मजाक मजाक में वही बोला था, what is this that you do? So what he does is he doesn't talk to you that much on set. He will be there, और एक्शन हो गया है, सीन के लिए आप आ गए हो, आप उनसे मिले नहीं हो, आप सीन की ब्लॉकिंग पे खड़े हो, आप उनसे मिले नहीं हो, आप सीन कर चुके हो, आप उसके बाद अगर ओके हो गया तो बात ही अलग है. अगर कोई नोट्स है, then you're meeting him. So I asked him that, what is this? I thought in the initial few days, I was like, does he even know I'm the actor for this role? It was that kind of a setup. But like people who have worked with him for years tell me that कि actor for this role छोड़ो, he even knows the thread on your button of that character that is going to be of which color of और क्या. He's that detailed, but he has that process. तो वो वही बोलते हैं कि एक्टिंग करना तेरा काम था, तो तू कर, कुछ होगा तो मैं बता दूंगा क्या चेंज करना है. तो दैट इज अमेजिंग. लाइक जो हम स्टार्टिंग में भी थिएटर की बात कर रहे थे और एक्टिंग की, तो इट बिकम्स अ वेरी थिएटर काइंड ऑफ अ स्पेस. लाइक आई रिमेंबर ब्लैक वॉरेंट में जो मेरा जो चेस के बाद सीन है जहां से मैं कट करके बॉल लेके आ रहा होता हूँ, तो दिस पोर्शन ऑफ दैट सेट वाज द आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट का रॉ मटेरियल्स और थोड़ा सा कूड़ा कचरा जो कि सेटअप में यूज हुआ हो, क्योंकि दैट वाजंट द फ्रेम. जैसे अभी हमारा ये फ्रेम है, यहाँ लाइट है, अब मैंने ये कर दिया कैमरा तो लाइटें दिखेंगी, आप बोलोगे ऐसे नहीं, वहां नहीं बैठो, है ना. बट वी वर ब्लॉकिंग एंड आई वाज लाइक, व्हाट इफ आई कम फ्रॉम देयर. लाइक ओके आई केम ऑन सेट आफ्टर 2 minutes. वो रेडी होके जब सेटअप आर्ट क्लियर हो चुका था, द फ्रेम हैड बीन सेट फॉर दैट सीन, you know. So then it becomes a very collaborative process. You're not just an actor who's coming in, sitting on a mark, taking some light, and अब मैं lines बोल रहा हूँ. I'm like, what if I want to sit there? My character feels I should sit there, I should come from there. So I think, yeah, that is why he is who he is.
Sudeep Sharma praised you a lot in an interview. What do you think he saw in you as an actor?
That's very tough to answer. I think that would be a great question for him, but I can try. And I think Sudeep sir, he is a kind of director who exactly knows what he is going for. Like, even if it's not just about me or anyone or any other actor, even if you look at the HODs, और जैसे हमारे प्रोडक्शन डिजाइनर्स हैं, जो कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइनर्स हैं, everybody is pitch perfect for that job. And I feel it's all salute to him. He knows what he's going for, and I think उस बीच में something connected that he was looking for, and maybe he saw that.
What is Shadows of the Moonless Night all about, and who are you in it?
Can, it's about Can. No. So Shadows of the Moonless Night is a beautiful, beautiful diploma film by Meher Malhotra. So for the audience that doesn't know what a diploma film is, so when FTI graduates are in their last year of their journey, they have to make a diploma film. और उस फिल्म के लिए FTI is presenting that film. The institute funds and gives you the equipment and helps you make that film, but you can add or make it better and go any, like आप कास्ट कर सकते हैं बाहर से लोग FTI के एक्टर साथ भी काम करते हैं, बट आप बाहर से भी पूछ सकते हैं. तो Meher got in touch with me through Nikita Grover, who's also the casting director of Kohra and Patal Log and like many other beautiful things. So she got in touch with me, and that's how Meher and I connected, and that film happened. And I'm so glad that it happened. And तो मेहर की स्टोरी बहुत सिंपल सी थी. There's that one incident that happened in her life that inspired her to make Shadows of the Moonless Night, because the film is about my character, who's Rajan. He's a factory worker and he has a night shift at the factory. So, but he's this Punjabi boy from some pind and has come to Pune to work. And वो अपनी बहन के घर रह रहा है, जो कि बहुत छोटा सा घर है, because the earnings that they have are limited. तो उस घर में वो भी रह रहा है और वो रात को जब लेट नाइट शिफ्ट करके आता है, घर में घुसता है तो लोग डिस्टर्ब होते हैं, और जब उसका सोने का समय है तो वो डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है क्योंकि घर की हलचल चालू हो गई। तो देयर इज अ लूप दैट इज हैपनिंग फॉर द स्लीप, वो हो ही नहीं रहा है, नींद ही नहीं मिल रही है। तो पूरी फिल्म में उसका एक ही गोल है, टू गेट दैट रेस्ट, डायरेक्टली और मेटाफोरिकली इन लाइफ, टू गेट दैट पीस। तो दैट इज व्हाट शैडोज ऑफ द मूनलेस नाइट्स इज अबाउट।
How do you feel about getting into Cannes?
ओ, मतलब ये तो बहुत मुश्किल है, ये आप भी जानते हो। हाउ डू आई पुट इनटू वर्ड्स? आई कांट, आई कैन ओनली ट्राई, एंड आई थिंक द ट्राई वुड बी, this is the perfect example of, yeah, trust the universe, it has some plans for you, and better plans that even you haven't dreamt of.
Which role of yours are you not happy with?
Hmm. ये थोड़ी बताऊंगा। नहीं नहीं नहीं, but yeah, there's one that's for you to find out. Don't वो
Maybe a hint for our audience?
hint. The introduction is very Bollywoody, the treatment of that introduction scene. इससे ज़्यादा detailed hint दूंगा तो that
Our
will be a
audience is very much ready for
backfire
it.
on me.
But our audience is very much ready for it. You can just
Really?
give a hint in the air and we'll take it.
हो गया hint. It's in the air. Go fetch.
Great. How unstable is an actor's income?
Only if I could say this in capital letters. VERY. Very, underline too. Because I think that is what my father tells me this, and it's a beautiful thing कि a freelancer's asset is their body, nothing else. Like if you're in good health, just sitting home having a sip of coffee, और आपको एक कॉल आता है तो आप अभी जाके काम कर सकते हो, बट आप फिजिकली फिट नहीं हो, आप उस समय में जो फ्री बैठे हो उस समय में आप फ्री फिट नहीं हो, तो आप फ्रीलांसिंग नहीं कर पाओगे। तो इट इज वेरी वेरी वेरी, इट इज एन एसेट टू बी हेल्दी।
What do actors hide about survival here?
I think everything, like what people, even when you are outside, when you are at home, when you're talking to friends, what they understand about acting, what they understand is also the audience's gaze, no? So, and it is a very gate kept kind of an industry, and मतलब बहुत ट्रांसपेरेंसी, क्योंकि लोगों ने काम नहीं करा है और काफी लोगों ने वो लीप ऑफ फेथ नहीं लिया है, even if they wanted to join the field and to get to know the business from inside, or to even try. So they don't know how it works. Like if I go and join a hospital today, I won't know what's going on, and I won't know, I would just see, oh, that surgeon is being treated so well यार, पूरा ऑन्ट्रा के साथ 5 असिस्टेंट के साथ सर्जन आ रहे हैं, सर्जरी करके चले जा रहे हैं अपनी एस क्लास में, लाइक डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज, बट यू डोंट नो व्हाट दैट सर्जन इज गोइंग थ्रू, और व्हाट स्टेक्स आर हाई, एंड लाइक कहाँ पे व्हाट जर्नी हैज ही हैड, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो दैट। ऐसे ही आई थिंक पीपल डोंट नो दैट, एंड कभी कभार बिकॉज ऑफ द हैप्पी थिंग्स दैट कम विद द जॉब एंड पीपल कांग्रेचुलेट यू फॉर दैट. So I think many actors or many freelancers working in the industry don't share also कि ये चल रहा है, and this is what's wrong.
What has this industry taught you?
Patience would be the right word for it. I think patience, and I won't say कि सीख गया हूँ, still getting there, still trying to be more patient for things and otherwise.
What should aspiring actors be ready to lose?
भूल जाओ फैमिली फंक्शन, भूल जाओ बर्थडेज, भूल जाओ, because मतलब that comes with the job, and it's not something that anyone should be surprised by, because there are so many things on stake, no? Again, there's like a crore ka set that is waiting, there are like 250 people that are waiting. So बहुत funny चीज है. Some relative of mine called me one day and they had a birthday the next day, and it was so innocent, of them to ask me कि कल, just call in sick. And what they don't understand it, you know, you cannot call in sick. You're an actor. There's a set ready. There are people who are ready for the call time. Even if you have like a severe stomach pain in the morning or like anything, there are so many people who have given their time and effort to be ready for tomorrow. So you cannot just not be there. So yes, missing out on many personal things.
What is a confession you would want to make today?
There's a beautiful film that all of you love, and I am a huge fan of, and I'm gonna be a part of it. We just started shooting, and the news is gonna be out very soon. This is the first time I'm saying this actually.
Thanks for coming on Confessions today. You were a fantastic guest and the energy was amazing.
Thank you so much, Pankari. This was beautiful, and to the team, to our camera team, everybody, thank you guys.
Can't wait to share this conversation with the world. Thank you, Prerak.
Thank you.